Uncovering the sweet truth. Honey for lip care.
Hello everyone! In this video, we'll explore a popular home remedy for dry and chapped lips, applying honey overnight. We'll find out if honey is really effective in moisturizing the lips. Let's delve into the sweet world of honey and lip care.
What makes honey a potential lip care product?
Honey is a natural substance that has been used for centuries in various cultures for its therapeutic properties. It's known for its humectant properties, meaning it naturally attracts moisture. This makes it a potential candidate for keeping your lips hydrated. Moreover, honey is rich in antioxidants, which are beneficial for skin health. It also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which can help soothe and protect chapped or damaged lips.
Can you apply honey on lips overnight?
Yes, you can apply honey on your lips overnight. This allows the honey ample time to penetrate the skin of your lips and lock in moisture. By doing this regularly, you may see a noticeable improvement in the softness and smoothness of your lips. However, remember to patch test any new substance on a small area of your skin first, even something as natural as honey. This is to ensure that you do not have any allergic reactions.
How to apply honey on lips?
Applying honey on your lips is quite simple. Start by gently cleaning your lips to remove any lip products or impurities. Then, apply a thin layer of raw, organic honey on your lips. Leave it on overnight and wash it off in the morning. It's that simple. However, if you're uncomfortable with the stickiness of honey, you can mix it with other natural ingredients like coconut oil or olive oil to make a DIY lip mask. So, there you have it. Applying honey on your lips overnight can indeed help moisturize them. However, like with any skincare routine, results can vary based on individual skin types and conditions. Always remember to do a patch test and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. We hope this video has been enlightening and helpful to you. Until next time, keep those lips soft and healthy.